Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super useful feature in Mint, the popular personal finance app. If you're tired of generic categories not quite fitting your spending habits, learning how to create custom categories can help you track your money more accurately and make budgeting a breeze. Whether you're categorizing that weekly coffee run or your hobby expenses, custom categories put you in control. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Mint app installed on your phone or you're logged into the website. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the Categories or Budgets section. It's usually in the menu on the left side if you're on desktop, or under a settings icon on mobile. Click or tap on that to open it up. Now, to create a custom category, find the option that says Add Category or Manage Categories. This might be a plus sign, plus, button or a drop-down menu, depending on your app version. Once you're there, you'll see a list of existing categories. Hit Add Custom Category and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new one. Be descriptive. For example, if you want to track dining out separately from groceries, name it something like Dining Out or Restaurant Meals. Next, you can assign subcategories if needed, like breaking down travel into flights and hotels. Don't forget to select the parent category if the app requires it. After that, save your changes, and voila, your custom category is ready to use. Now, when you log expenses, you can assign them to this new category for better insights. One quick tip. Regularly review your custom categories to ensure they're still relevant, as your spending might change over time. This will keep your financial overview accurate and help you spot trends easier. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your go-to custom category in Mint? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.